Hey guys, I want to show you another one of the activities out of our learning packet that you all got. So today we're going to do a literacy activity. So I'm going to read you the instructions and then show you how you can do this activity at home. It says, bingo! Write 10 letters on paper. Call out the letters randomly for your child and they can circle or stamp it. So Miss Reed is going to use letters from things that were in our book, Very Hungry Caterpillar. And I am going to make it a little bit harder or a little bit easier. So I'm going to show you two ways you can do it. So I have my 10 letters. Let's talk about those letters. Can you say them with me? I have A, P, B, S, O, C, I, W, L, and M. So either someone in your family can say, find the letter C, and you will circle the C. Or they could say, find the letter that starts the word strawberry. Listen to that word, strawberry. What letter does strawberry start with? That's right, it starts with S. So you could do it that way. Or you could say, find the letter that says B. What letter says B? That's right, the B says B. They could say, find the letter that is a lowercase a. And you would find that one. Or they could say, find a letter that popsicle starts with. Listen to that word, popsicle. That would be a P. So you can play this game however you would like. You can either call out the letters, you can say the sound of the letter, or you can say a word that the letter starts with and figure it out with your brain. So let's finish these last ones together. If I said, find the letter that octopus starts with, what letter would I be talking about? Octopus. Look at my mouth. Ah. That is the O. What if I said, find the letter that says I, like in igloo? What letter is that? That's right, the I. Oh, I only have 3 letters left. I have W, L, and M. So what if I say, find the L? It's just a straight line down. There it is. What if I say, find the letter that mom starts with? Mom. That's right, the M. Ooh, the last one's going to be tricky. Find the letter that says W. What letter is that? That's right, the W. So this is a very easy game that you could play with someone at your house. So write your letters and then call them out and see if you can figure out all the answers without help. I can't wait to see your work. You can send me pictures of your board, or you can send me a video of you playing. I can't wait to see it.